Elon Musk donated $5.7 billion worth of Tesla shares to charity. The gift is disclosed in filing that doesn't identify a recipient. Move coincided with the CEO selling stock, sparring with senators. Look at that photo. Hey? Hey? What do you think about that photo?
Yeah.
Tie to the side, hand up, looking up. Somebody's up high.
Very Lex Friedman.
Carrying the jacket. Yes, black suit, white shirt. Interesting.
Also, not the plaid behind him.
Model 3.
Is it 3 or X?
No, because X has the handles that come out.
Oh,
These
yeah.
ones pop
Sorry,
out.
I mean the Y.
Yeah, it's Y or 3.
Yeah.
Maybe Y.
So a lot of people are trying to wonder where this money is going to.
Right, because it's undisclosed.
Yeah. And still don't know. Still don't know.
And charity?
People still don't know.
So it's a big, to donate billions. I'm surprised they don't have to disclose.
Yeah.
Because wouldn't that be like a tax thing?
That you have to have a receipt. I guess maybe it doesn't have to be public.
Oh,
Maybe the IRS has seen it, but
Yeah.
it doesn't have to be. The gift came as Musk sold more billions in stock. He sold more than 16 billion worth of shares in November and December, much of which was meant to cover tax obligations after exercising stock options. At the time, Musk tweeted that he would be likely to pay over 11 billion in taxes, one of the biggest individual bills in U.S. history. The stock donation could be useful in defraying that bill. I guess bringing the bill down. Musk tweeted that he would give $6 billion if the UN could prove that money could help solve world hunger. I remember that tweet. Musk's other disclosed philanthropic efforts include millions in gifts to Texas municipalities and a $100 million prize for developing technologies to remove carbon dioxide. I would just suggest that if he doesn't have to disclose, he seems like someone who might not want to.
Yeah. And as long as it's not maybe his own charity, because that would be corruption. No?
Yeah, I think that would be. Yeah.
Charity law is not something that I really know much about.
No?
Yeah, but it just seems scummy. That doesn't seem like a good.
I think registered charities have all kinds of special rules that regular businesses do not, which is why the whole charity thing gets a little wonky at times.
Right. When billionaires are.
Moving money around.
Yeah.
We're going to leave it at that.
Okay.
You're getting us into billionaire trouble today.
Okay. Well, we're almost out of it.
Oh, okay,
Well,
good.
hold on. Let me just change this. Okay, there we go.